today, my people. It's a matter of concern. The rebels want to take over. But to God, we know the rebels will not run the country any better. We doubt they'll do a better job. It's from one rebellious set to another rebellious set. We need a government of a theocratic principle, like His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie, that the king or the president or the emperor will divinely connect the people to the Almighty. And this is what we need, a government that will respect the spiritual values of our family, of our people. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. Think about those youths who are dying out. Of the system, they divide and rule and break those ties, tear us apart.